In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add contact form to your Wix website. By the end, you'll have a clean, professional contact page that makes it easy for visitors to reach you. Start inside the Wix editor. Look to the left-hand toolbar and open the Pages panel, the icon that looks like stacked pages. This shows all the pages on your site and is where you manage what visitors see in your navigation. Choose Add New Page to create a fresh page. This gives you a blank starting point that will turn into your contact hub. When the template options appear, click on Contact. This narrows the choices to layouts designed specifically for collecting inquiries. It's the quickest way to get a working form without building one from scratch. Now select the type you want. You'll see a variety of styles: minimal forms, designs with space for a short intro, or pages that pair text with visuals. Pick the one that suits your brand and the amount of information you want to collect. Simpler forms often convert better, while more detailed layouts can help set expectations. Don't worry, you can fine-tune the design afterward to match your look and feel. Click Add Page to insert your selection into the site. Wix will automatically place it in your site menu so visitors can find it right away. Give the page a clear name. Typing contact keeps things straightforward and consistent with what people expect to see in a website's navigation. Short, recognizable names help both users and search engines understand the page's purpose at a glance. Click Done to confirm your choices and close the setup. Your new contact page is now created and ready for editing. From here, edit the text to your liking. Update the headline to something welcoming and specific, like "Get in touch" or "We'd love to hear from you." Refine the supporting text to tell visitors what happens next, how quickly you respond, your hours of operation, or any details you want them to include. Adjust field labels and placeholder text so they're clear and helpful, and consider renaming the button to something action-oriented, such as "Send Message." Keep the form short. Name, email, and message are usually enough for a first contact, so people don't drop off. While you're at it, check that your fonts are readable and your colors have good contrast for accessibility. That's all it takes. You opened the Pages panel, added a new page, chose a contact layout, selected the design you prefer, added it to your site, named it, confirmed, and customized the text. With these steps done, your Wix website now has a polished contact page that invites visitors to reach out with confidence.